ఈరోజు మనం నిజామాబాద్ నగరంలో ఉన్న ఎస్ఆర్ ప్రైమ్ స్కూల్లో ఉన్నాం. యంగ్ ఇంటెలిజెన్సియా 2018 ప్రోగ్రామ్ని వీరు కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు.
An honor to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship in this gracious occasion.
For today's Young Intelligentsia 2018 program,
Zonal in charge of college academic is here
and are ready to welcome you all with their marvelous performance.
Welcome to esteemed guest Chandrasekhar Garu. I feel privileged being an educator to present the excellence report of 2 projects are selected to national level which was held at Hubli. Next year we are happy to announce that we are cooperation next and I expect same from the for coming years from all the people.
Shri Bhavan Reddy Garu, Shri Govardhan Reddy Garu, Srimati Jansi. I'm very much delighted, privileged to stand on the dais and to share something with the brightest, charming faces sitting over there. In class 10 over here, Kamal Chakravarti. And my core intention in joining my son in the school in 9th class is to get some school wherein we can get the foundation in the core subjects, that is mathematics, sciences along with the languages, at a level at par with what we are doing somewhere in Hyderabad or any metro cities. The way the things shaped up and how he was trained, my child. And for that basic intention, we have this science projects from all the students over here. Energetic claps once again for your participation. And if you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a sin you won't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a sin you won't. If you think you'll lose, you're lost. If you think you'll lose, you're lost. Found in the world, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger and faster man, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Thank you very much.
ఈ విద్యారంగంలో ఇది లేదు అనేది లేదు మా దగ్గర ఇవాళ.
standard.
Very.
Give a big round of applause. Raise the chairs of the dance.
అదేవిధంగా మనం గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ చంద్రశేఖర్ గారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి విద్యార్థుల్లో ప్రతిభని ఏ విధంగా వారికి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ లభిస్తుందో దీని ద్వారా మరి వారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, it's quite happy and privileged to be a part of Young Intelligentsia SR Prime. The way the children are molded and given practical training in the form of projects is going to boost up their morale and making the learning process more and more effective. And on behalf of the team over here, I heartily thank SR Prime management for conducting such programs which definitely elevate the morale of the students, and I hope such programs, boosting up programs, will be continued further for the excellence of students. I wish everybody who is participating here all the very best. Thank you.
ఓకే సార్. అలాగే మనతో పాటు ఎస్ఆర్ ప్రైమ్ స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు ఉన్నారు. మరి వారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. యాక్చువల్ ఓన్లీ కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే కొద్దిమంది మాత్రమే మనం విద్యార్థుల ప్రతిభను తీసుకురాగలుగుతాము. సో ఈ క్రాఫ్ట్, సైన్స్, సోషల్ స్టడీస్, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే అన్ని రంగాల్లో వాళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రతిభ
The main aim of our project is to improve the water and to use the water for drip irrigation.